Hey everybody, it's Patty from Chatty Patty's Place, and I'm gonna make a light glass box snowman. So I'm gonna show you step by steps, and the first step I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lay out everything that I want to add to my glass box snowman. And you can get these boxes in the craft store. They cost about $5 each. The wooden snowman, I made the carrot nose. I got a wooden heart and I cut it in half, and I just painted it orange and added little, little lines in it to make it look like a carrot. So I'm going to lay out my design on here. I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue it on, and then when I'm done, I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so now I have my face glued down onto the light box, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the bottom here, and I'm going to stuff some, I got these indoor lights, these 10-foot indoor thin lights that I'm going to stuff in there with some mesh or possibly tinsel. I want to see what looks better, I'm not sure, but I got this deco mesh that I'm going to try stuffing in there, see how that looks. And if that doesn't work for me, I'm going to try some white tinsel. So we'll see what looks better, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have my thin lights, and what I'm doing is, as I'm putting the garland in, I'm also putting the lights in with it. So I'm kind of like just lining up the lights with the garland, and I'm going to fill it all up, and then when I'm all done doing that, I'll be back. Okay, so when I'm done feeding in my garland and my lights, on the bottom of the light box, you'll see there's a little opening here, and I want to feed the bottom of my lights outside so that I'm able to control them from the outside of the light box. And let's flip it over and see how it is. It's pretty heavy. So, okay, so you can see it looks like a snowman, and when I press the lights, it all lights up inside. So I'm just going to finish it off. I'm going to put a little hat on it, and I have some material I'm going to put on the bottom to make a scarf, and I'll be right back when I'm all done. Okay, so I picked up this strip of material at a craft store that was already cut, and I like the way that it was tattered on the sides, and I like the colors and the way they match, and I'm going to use this around the bottom of the snowman. Now, you can do it on anything you want. You may want to put some tinsel on the bottom, or some foliage, or greenery, and whatever you want to do, but I wanted to make like a scarf looking thing, so I'm going to hot glue this around the bottom, and then when I'm done, I'll be back and I'll show you my finished project. Okay, so my snowman's all done, and I got his little scarf on him, and just show you the tester lights, and he lights up. I'll come back and do one without the flash on so you can see how he lights up. And right now I'm just using the tester so you could see. But he's so easy to make. It probably cost me about, definitely less than $10. Do a couple of buttons on there. Like I said, the wooden heart that I cut into a carrot. And the scrap material, and any old hat. You can use any old hat around the house. So, simple project. Fun to do with the kids. You can use tacky glue instead of a glue gun if you want. And for under $10, you got yourself a cute little holiday decoration. Just pick up your items at the dollar store that you want to use to adorn the light box, or you can just get stuff from around the house, and then it'll cost you less than that. And like I said, the box, the light box is $5 at the craft store. And these little lights, you can even find little lights at the dollar store or craft store too. So I hope you like my little project, and this makes a really nice gift, and you have a great day. Hey, okay, it's Patty again, and I wanted to show you how my snowman looked with in the dark when it was lit up. As you can see, he lights up very nicely, and you can see his cute little frosty face. So I hope you had fun learning my project. The light box snowman, made from a glass cube from the craft store that cost $5, with some buttons and a wooden carrot nose and a little knit hat and some scrap materials. Easy to make, fun to do with the kids, and makes a really cute decoration or gift. And you have a great day.